Sure. Are we going to walk with baby Charlotte?
Yeah. Are we going to walk?
You just walking her around, huh?
Going there. Going in there. Going in there. Going in there. Going in there. Whoa! Okay, get there. Okay, we need to turn the light on. It's dark down there. Can you go in Charlotte's room?
Sure, I'm coming. We made it to Charlotte's house.
Yeah. Daddy, that's Charlotte's house too?
Yeah. Daddy's at Charlotte's house too. Hi, Daddy.
Hi. Robbie's a good teacher.
No, you don't need the space heater.
Yeah, we definitely don't want to play with the space heater.
You don't want to play with the space heater.
Yeah. And we'll take it down later.
Is it funny when brother falls down? She thinks it's funny when you fall down, Robbie.
You have to stay in Charlotte's house, okay?
Okay, we have to stay in Charlotte's house.